Do you realize what it's like to go down a slide and have all your hair standing up when you reach the bottom? If you've heard of electric eels, you know they use their incredible strength of electricity to eat and communicate underwater. But that needs to make more sense. Let's see how they do it. Watch till the end to learn an interesting fact about electric eels. Is there anything swimming electrically in the water? These dizzy swimmers are the exception to the general rule that water and electricity don't mix. There are 3 different types of electric eels, although Electrophorus electricus is the most common. Although they move in strange ways, electric eels are known for their ability to generate electricity. They use their tail to propel themselves powerfully through the water by forming waves. They can reach a length of 8 feet, which is quite a size. Why do electric eels generate electricity? Their primary use of electricity is to help them improve their hunting abilities, and they will use electricity in various ways to achieve this goal. Due to their poor eyesight, they had to develop new tactics to locate their prey. To find their prey, they can first send out a shallow voltage pulse that does not harm. And then to scare their victims, they emit short, more intense pulses that look like tiny bursts of energy. If the electricity reflected anything, he could have had dinner. You may be wondering how strong those electric eels are. The highest charge is generated by the main electric organ and part of the hunter's organ, while the lowest cost is caused by the sex organ and the rest of the hunter's organ. Eel generates this electricity using electrolytes, cells in the organ that are driven by signals from the brain to reverse charge and cause shock. Electric eels relax and recharge in murky waters when not hunting or looking for a mate. Like we might need a nap and a snack after a football game, the electric eel needs time to recharge because it uses a lot of energy to deliver those powerful shocks. Electric eels produce enough energy to catch their food, preventing them from electrocuting themselves and the surrounding water even with high-intensity shocks. When hunting, they release just enough energy to affect their small prey, often frogs, salamanders, and small fish, rather than themselves or other larger animals. Electric eels are exciting to study because they're such incredible creatures. It's always fascinating to see how various animals use their abilities to survive, eat, and reproduce.